Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working on the 3-litre Land Rover diesel. Done about 90,000 miles, and we've got P01002 mass volume airflow sensor. Now if you're getting that and if you are losing power, limp mode, restricted performance, it's to do with these here, these sensors. It's really easy to work on. Literally this bolt, and then it just comes off. We recommend take this off, pull it out, and then just use them two screws, and this comes off as like a roundish circle. Taken off by original OEM. This is aftermarket that they've used, hence why the car's losing power. So we are gonna use some original OEM sensors. That side's fine. It turns out to be this side. They do both come up with very similar codes, I'm not gonna lie, so let's just double check. Let me button plug this. So if we unplug it, go back, read fault code. So we've got P0102 was this one, and then we've got now these two here. So reality is, if you're getting these codes, it's to do with these two here. We highly recommend original OEM, guys, otherwise they won't work. Well, they may do, but it's not going to last forever. But like we said, they're the codes. That's to do with this side. You can already see it's been marked up and worked on before, but that's where they are. Really easy. I wouldn't let anyone else touch it. Do it yourself. Once you have, my recommendation would be just do a full scan and clear, and jobs are good. You can reset the adaptions of the mass airflow system as well.